News that's coming in right now. The Muslim side moves the Supreme Court, now challenging the Allahabad High Court's order allowing an ASI survey to be conducted at the Gyanvapi mosque premises. The Masjid Committee has filed a special leave petition challenging the High Court's order. The Supreme Court is already scheduled to hear the matter tomorrow. The plea filed by the Masjid Committee challenging the High Court order, which upheld maintainability of the suit filed by Hindu petitioners, is now, of course, before the Supreme Court. It remains to be seen when the Supreme Court, of course, takes up the matter. The petition has been filed. Srishti Ocha is joining us for more on this. Srishti, what more can you tell us about the petition which has been filed before the Supreme Court by the Muslim side in the Gyanvapi matter?
Like you said, the Allahabad High Court, in a very important order today, allowed ASI survey of the Gyanvapi mosque premises. Remember, earlier the Masjid Committee had moved the Supreme Court seeking an interim stay till the High Court decides that particular case. Now today, the Masjid Committee, the Muslim side, has again moved the Supreme Court challenging the Allahabad High Court's order, which was passed today morning, through which an ASI survey was allowed. Challenging that order, a special leave petition has now been filed by the Masjid Committee before the top court. And the same case was also mentioned before the Chief Justice of India, seeking an urgent listing today at 4 p.m. And the CJI has assured the council that the email that the council has sent with the petition copy he will look at it right away. What we have also learned from our sources close to the legal team of the Masjid Committee is that they're also pressing for an urgent hearing, and they're trying to get a hearing today if the court permits. So that will be an important development if the Supreme Court decides to allow an urgent hearing of the case today itself. Remember, the Allahabad High Court has not only ordered the ASI survey, but it has also said that such a survey or investigation that the Commission has proposed to carry out is extremely necessary and is also in the interest party similarly, and will also come in aid of the decision. And the Allahabad High Court has also made it clear that the case should be concluded expeditiously. Remember, the Supreme Court is already scheduled to hear one of the petitions in the Gyanvapi case tomorrow. It's already listed before the court, so we'll have to see if any urgent hearing is granted in this case.
Absolutely. Srishti will be keeping an eye on that. Srishti, thank you for joining us. So, Srishti is saying that the Muslim side, of course, has moved the Supreme Court against the Allahabad High Court's order today, allowing for an ASI survey to be conducted at the Gyanvapi Mosque complex site. But the Muslim side is also seeking an urgent hearing, and the Chief Justice of India has told them he'll be looking at their petition, and there's a possibility there could be an urgent hearing, but already the matter, at least one of the petitions, is listed to be heard tomorrow in the Apex Court. So, Srishti will be keeping an eye on that development.